Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we have a 3-day sale starting today, plus we have a few run glitches to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, I do want to go ahead and let you all know that I have already uploaded the new clearance markdown and penny list video for this week. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now let's go ahead and take a quick look at the new 3-day sale, which starts today on Sunday, July the 2nd, and runs through Tuesday, July the 4th. And by the way, happy 4th of July, everybody. I hope y'all have a fantastic holiday. Let me know what your plans are down in the comment section below. Now, first up, included in this 3-day sale, we have the Febreze plug-in warmers. These are normally $3.50. They're on sale right now for $3.25. Plus, we just received a new $2.25 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just $1. All right, now this next deal I don't believe is specific to this 3-day sale. I'm pretty sure you can do this all week long. We do have these stem products. They're priced at $7 each. You can mix and match, and we have a buy one, get one free coupon, but it's actually for $7.50 off of 2. So you're going to pay $6.50 for 2 products, which is a great deal, but I'm not quite sure why they put it in the 3-day sale ad. But anyways, still a good deal. All right, next up, we have the Angel Soft bath tissue. These are regularly priced at $3.95. They're on sale right now for $3.45, and we have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $2.95. All right, next up, we have the Brawny paper towels, 2 double rolls. These are normally priced at $5 each, but they're on sale right now for just $3.95. All right, next up, here is another deal that I don't believe is specific to the 3-day sale. I think we can do this deal all week long, but they have included it in the 3-day sale ad. So if you want to pick up the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent, priced at $9.50, we have a new 3 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $6.50. All right, next up, we have a sale on the True Living paper towels, the Ultra 6 Big Rolls. These are normally priced at $8 each. They're on sale right now for $7, plus we have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $6.50. Next up, we have the True Living foam compartment trays 20 count, or the hinged trays 14 count. These are priced at $3.50. We have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3. And finally, the star of this 3-day sale, we have inflatables, goggles, and masks. These are all going to be buy one, get one free during this 3-day sale. And on the ad, it says to look for the pink square on the tag. Now, while I was taking a look at the ad yesterday, a few more deals stood out to me, so I wanted to go ahead and share these with you all, but keep in mind that these are week-long deals that you can do until Saturday. So first up, we have the Comfort Bay bath towels. You want to look for the red dot on the price tag. These are going to be on sale, buy one, get one half off, and they start out at $4 each. Next up, we have another buy one, get one free deal. These are on the Rexall or Rexall Naturalist Melatonin Vitamins. These are priced anywhere from $3.35 all the way up to $8.50 each. And like I said, these are going to be buy one, get one free until Saturday. And then I also wanted to remind everybody that this week we still have the P&G spin deal going on. So you have to spend $15 out of pocket. Then you're going to get back a $5 coupon printed on the bottom of your receipt. This deal will end on Saturday. However, if you still have some of those $5 coupons left over, those will not expire until next week. Hopefully that makes sense, but I do plan on putting out a video with a few scenarios for you all, so we're going to go into some more details in that video, so make sure that y'all stay tuned. All right, now moving right along, we're going to go ahead and get into some run glitch deals. But first, I just wanted to remind everybody that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So when you are in the store, it is going to be very important to scan each item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. I also just want to go ahead and throw in here that I'm considering these run glitch deals because I feel like there's a pretty high probability that Dollar General will fix these in the system once they catch on to what's going on. However, run glitch deals do not always get fixed. So it is possible that these deals will stick around until Saturday. You could throw them in with the 5 off 25 and you're going to get an even better deal. Now, typically with run glitch deals, I will go and take advantage of the deal at least on my account and my husband's account, and then I'll probably save my son and my daughter's account for Saturday. That way, if that glitch is still around, I can come up with a really super low out-of-pocket deal for Saturday. So that's just my quick take on it. Again, I'm just here to share the deals with you all, and you guys can make up your own mind. But I definitely consider this a run glitch deal. I think it is pretty likely that Dollar General will fix this in their system. All right, so first up, we have a new 4 off 1 digital coupon for the Swiffer products. Now, this coupon is supposed to work on the more expensive products that are priced at around $15 each. However, this coupon is glitching. It is working on the Swiffer Duster Starter Kits Gain Scent 6 count. These are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Fantastic deal. Now, we also received a new 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Pantene products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Pantene Pro-V Daily Moisture Renewal Shampoos. Travel size. These are priced at $1.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. Now, if your store doesn't have the travel-sized Pantene shampoos, don't worry about it. Look for the conditioners because this coupon is also glitching and working on the travel-sized conditioners, also priced at $1.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay 75 cents. Now, we also received a new 5 off 3 digital coupon on the Pantene products, and this coupon is also glitching and working on the travel-sized Pantene shampoos and conditioners, so you can mix and match. Pick up 3 for $1.75 each. That's going to put you at $5.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay 25 cents for all 3 items. So, if you run out today, pick up all 5 items, the Swiffer and 4 of the Pantene shampoos or conditioners. You're going to pay $2.50 at the register after those coupons are applied. So, I think that is a fantastic deal. Now, before you all go, I do want to go ahead and give you all a quick heads up that we have more glitches to talk about. So, up next, I'm going to be uploading my regular Sunday video where we go over all the new coupons and clip them to our accounts. And we have a ton of glitches to talk about. So make sure that y'all stick around for that video. Like I said, it's coming up next. So turn on your notifications. And before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I really don't know what you're waiting on at this point. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, good luck, everybody. I hope y'all can get out there and score some amazing deals. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.